Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use zoom on your Toshiba Dynabook Tecra. To use the magnifier, you can either use it with the keyboard shortcuts or by going to settings. It's just depending on your preference. First, I'm gonna show you the keyboard shortcuts, so you can click on the Windows and plus on your keyboard, and it will open the magnifier, as you can see. Then as you click on Windows and plus again, it will come closer and closer. And of course it follows the cursor all the time, so that's pretty neat. And to zoom out, click on Windows and minus, which is next to the plus on most keyboard layouts. Then if you want to close the magnifier, just click on Windows and Escape. The Escape is in the top left corner of your keyboard. And this is basically everything that you need to know with the keyboard shortcuts. Also, if you open the magnifier, then you will see some things like the play pause, so you can actually use it in order to read things shown on the screen. Then you can also select read from here, so you can just then select a thing to read out loud. And you can also change the settings of like the speech, the speed and the voice. I'm gonna close the magnifier now, and let's get to settings, from which we can also open the magnifier. Go to the settings, then accessibility, and you'll see the magnifier right here. And now you can just turn it on or turn it off. And you can also here change the zoom increment. So this is the percentage by which the zoom will be increased whenever you click on Windows and plus at the same time. And also the view, so you can, instead of full screen, for example, you can set it to lens. And now as I enabled zoom, it will be a lens like that. Or you can change it to docked, and then it will look sort of like that. So at the very top of the screen, it will just show you one or two lines of text. So it's great for reading mostly. And these are the settings here. You can also make the magnifier follow your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor and narrator cursor. And these are everything. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.